Hello students, welcome to physics definition series of Swapna physics classes, and in this lecture I am going to explain you one more definition, that is path length. This is our fourth definition, and for understanding this path length, initially I am taking an example. Let's choose the x-axis along which a car is moving. O is the origin for this axis, which is nothing but a reference point. Initially the car is at point O. Initially the car is at point O. I am taking a car along this axis. This car is moving along this x-axis, right? If this is 20 meters, 40 meters, 60 meters, 70, 80, 100 meters and so on. I am taking the length in meters. I am measuring the length in meters. Initially the car is at point O, and after some time at T0 it is at O, and after some time, that is at T1, the car is moved to a distance of 60 meters. Okay, initially the car is at O and after some time it is at 60 meters. Okay, as the time changes from T0 to T1, the position of this car is changing from O to some point A. O to point A. Therefore, here the distance covered by the car, is OA, right? OA, which is equal to 60 minus 0, which is equal to 60 minus 0 is equal to 60 meters, right? Now what happened? This car returned from point A to point B. Now this car returned from point A to point B. Okay. Now here the distance covered. In second case, the distance covered by this car is OA plus AB, right? OA plus AB. Initially it is at O. This car initially moved from O to A, then after it moved from A to B. Therefore, the distance covered by this car is OA plus AB, which is equal to 60. 60 plus 20, which is equal to 80 meters. Right? That means path length is nothing but the total distance covered by the object. Path length definition ఏంటినన్నా, the total distance covered by the object. Okay, and here I will end our lecture. Whoever didn't subscribe to my channel, please click on subscribe button and share with maximum number of people. Okay, bye.